Another round of rain moving through now. Stronger storms still on track Tuesday and maybe part of Wednesday. We've been watching this storm system for nearly a week here in the UF Weather Center. I'm Jeff Huffman. Time to talk specifics. Here's the batch of rain that moved through Monday and Monday night. It's settling into central Florida. We are on the north side of this stalled front, the more stable side, if you will. And so just some light to moderate rain out there in a few spots. Probably another round coming in around daybreak, especially Levy and Marion counties down toward the I-4 corridor. And that could continue through the first couple of hours of your Tuesday. Maybe a distant rumble of thunder, but certainly the heavier activity stays closer to that front, that boundary that separates slightly cooler, more stable air to the north and very warm and unstable air to the south. Now that boundary starts to lift north during the day Tuesday, so we will have a low storm damage risk here, even in inland areas, especially Tuesday night and well after sunset. That risk continues. In fact, it may even go up near the Nature Coast and the Panhandle, where I've painted in a moderate risk. There is a low chance of an isolated tornado, and any storm cluster that can get organized could produce some wind damage as it moves through. Here it is on the timing with Future Track. There's the boundary I mentioned. Notice how it starts to lift north late Tuesday. It's kind of a struggle here, but by Tuesday night we get into what's called the warm sector, and a few isolated thunderstorms may bubble up. Future Track not showing a whole lot of activity because we won't be that unstable, but certainly enough rotation and certainly enough energy in the atmosphere that if some storms can organize, they could become severe, and that risk continues through early afternoon Wednesday when the front finally moves through and clears this mess out of here. Now, we will probably have some leftover clouds on Thursday, and it will get breezy and noticeably cooler heading into the weekend, less humid as well. Locally heavy rain in a few spots, especially where those showers and thunderstorms kind of train over some of the same areas. Cedar Key to Ocala to Daytona Beach, 1 to 2 inches of rain possible. We could get up to an inch here in Gainesville. Locally higher amounts in some of those heavier thunderstorms. All right, I'll leave you with some good news. Look at the dry air. For the first time in a couple of weeks, we've got some beautiful, comfortable weather on the way. The rainy season has not begun yet, and that's very evident on this map with the drier air sticking around through the weekend. Some really pleasant conditions starting Friday. We're still getting rid of the cloud cover and the humidity on Thursday. So keep it tuned and stay weather aware. Go to ufweather.org for updates on the possible severe weather through midday Wednesday.